In this video I want to show you how I make fermented and salted pickles. I absolutely love them. It's not a difficult thing to do and my life is so much better since I started it. So basically all you need is water and salt and a big jar and of course the pickles and maybe a week of time. I definitely have a favor for old techniques, and fermenting is one old technique to conserve food for the winter, and that's what I like about it. So I hope this video is gonna be helpful to you. If you have your own experience with conserving food, please let me know in the comments. I'm always eager to learn more. And of course, if you like this video, I would really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up or even subscribe to the channel. Enough talk, let's get to it.